competition encourages innovation. And so the pace that new developments are now becoming to market is a lot faster. Before, steel really didn't have much competition with our customers. And today, our customers, we know they have more than just steel to choose from. Research and development is a critical cog in the big picture.
We decided we needed a building that not only is a modern building for today's needs, but also it is laid out in a most efficient way to be able to conduct our business, which is innovation. One important piece for that innovation is that the interactivity between the people.
Very seldom do you have a project or a new product that comes from just one engineer. And we all work together and use our different expertise. Here's our new product, and here's how we're going to bring it to the market. And seeing the workspace and all of us together in the same place is a big change from the old building, but really highlights how we all collaborate.
The innovation idea that we needed to have a laboratory, that we needed to have people and equipment in that laboratory to allow us to work towards that next product, that next big goal, was always there. And we've placed that laboratory equipment in a very natural, progressive flow.
And all the way down, you can just see the different things that we have, our corrosion chambers, our chem labs, and all of the testing possibilities are just right there and very accessible, which is not something we had in the old building.
The other piece that was critical from an innovation perspective was being able to move material efficiently through the facility. So everything from melting and hot rolling and processing material to testing and evaluating it. We wanted to make a more efficient layout, better opportunities for engineers to interact not only with each other but also with the technicians that are testing the material.
Every single space within this building was thoughtfully laid out with collaboration, energy, excitement in mind.
With all of our engineers, we're all in one big giant room where it's easy to meet formally or informally. It's easier to just grab a couple people, put them together, sit them down, whether it's in a room or not, make sure you're all on the same page.
We're collaborating and generating more ideas much more quickly, and I think that is a purposeful interaction with perhaps groups that you may not interact with before.
But we also wanted to enhance the collaboration between us and our customers. We want our customers to come in, we want them to feel welcome. We want them to share with us their problems, the type of service they would like to see from us. And we want them to be able to do that without any hesitation.
It inspires you to say, what can we do now? And I think this new building is a perfect vehicle for people to do that, to take things to the next level of innovation and the new generations of steel. It gives you that inspiration to move forward because now we have, again, the people, the equipment, and now the facility to make those things happen.
Research happens in here every minute of every day, from the moment you drive in the parking lot to the end of the day when you walk out the door.
This building is a physical representation of the value we put on innovation.